guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm MJ Smith. How are you? For today's video, as you guys been requested, I'm going to go back to basic on how to do your makeup. I'm going to divide it into three parts, which is how to choose the right foundation that suits your skin type. Part 2, how to contour and highlight. Part 3, how to do your eyebrow, and also how to do a quick and easy eye makeup. I'm going to start with part 1, which is how to choose the right foundation that suits your skin type, your skin tone, and also your undertone. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose the right foundation, the right concealer, and also how to conceal your dark spots or any redness that you have on your face. As you notice, guys, I already applied on my eyebrows. They're a bit twins today. They're a bit the same, but most of the time they're not the same. They're just like sisters. So don't worry if you can't have your brows as the same as the other one. So anyway, I already applied my moisturizer. As you noticed, I'm a bit shiny. Let's start on how to know your skin type. There's 4 skin type, which is the normal skin type, the combination, the oily, and the dry. Normal skin type is soft, no blemishes, and smooth skin, and also doesn't have any shiny in all over the face, which is a very lucky and very blessed skin type. Your combination, if you have a oily T-zones, oily forehead, oily nose, oily chin, and also a mild open pores in your cheek right here. The oily skin type is that you have a quite visible open pores. And also the last one is the dry skin. Right here is a bit tight, and also there's a lack of oil on your face. There's a bit of flakiness sometimes, so that is the sign that you have dry skin. It is very important, guys, to know first your skin tone and skin type before buying any foundation. I'm trying not to confuse you guys, but you can write it down because it is really important to know the difference of a skin tone and the undertone. Why is it very important to know your undertones? Here you go. Here it is. Here you go. Let's crack it on. Skin tone change. The undertone doesn't. So let me explain a little bit. For instance, you don't go in the sun for a long time, your skin tone will change, but your undertone will stay the same. First, you have to check. You have to check your vein color right here. You can see right here. If you have a green veins, it means if you have a green vein, you have a warm undertone. If you have a blue, it means that you have a cool undertones. Yellow undertone, the cool undertone, and also the neutral undertone. You have a neutral undertone if you have a mixture, yellow undertone, and also a cool undertone. So I'm going to apply my primer. I'm going to apply this one right here. So maybe I'll just do like that. I know it's hard, guys, to buy the proper foundation that suits your skin type, your skin tone, and also your undertone, because there's a lot of foundation out there. So today I'm going to minimize your choices. I'm going to give you an example, guys, on how to choose the right foundation for you. So here's the technique on how to know your skin tone. As you notice, guys, so these 2 shades above is matching my skin tone. These shades are the perfect one, and this one is a bit too dark for my skin tone, this one right here. So this is the way on how to buy the right foundation for you. Put it on your jawline, apply 3 shades, and see which shade matches your skin tone. Because I already know which skin tone I have, I straight away go for a golden or yellowish undertone, which is this one right here. It has a yellowish and a golden undertone. And also it says here, guys, it's for normal to oily skin. So it's perfect for my skin type because I'm combination, and this foundation is normal to oily. So that's it, I'm done. That's how you do it, guys. Read the label and see if it suits your skin tone, your skin type, and your undertone. If you also have a dry skin, you can also go for a cream foundation. If you have a dry skin, stick foundation is also very good for you. For dry skin, you can go for this one or this one right here. If you have a normal skin, it's very easy for you guys to choose the right foundation that suits you. All you need to do is know your skin tone and also your undertone. If you have an oily skin, I recommend you guys to use a very good primer to mattify your face. You can also go for a foundation that mattify your face, like this one right here. This Fit Me is also mattifying. Also, you can use this one right here, the Estee Lauder, and also this foundation right here, the Urban Decay foundation. This one is waterproof, guys, so it is really good if you have a oily skin, because if you have oily skin, your makeup tend to melt. So there's few kinds of concealer and corrector in the market. This one right here, guys, is a corrector. There's few color there to correct any imperfections that you have on your face. If you don't want to buy all this corrector right here, guys, you can always buy a single orange corrector right here. If you have a dark under eyes, this is the perfect way of removing it. If you have any dark spots or dark blemishes, you can use this one to correct. I have a little bit of redness. My blemishes is a little bit red, so I'm going to use a green corrector to cover it. I'm going to apply here. I have a bit of redness here, guys, there. So I'm going to just blend. Okay. Red. So if you have a red blemishes, apply a green corrector. So I'm going to just push it into my skin. There you go. I'm going to apply this orange corrector on my under eye because I have a little bit of dark circles. So I'm going to just push my brush there and then just push the product here, guys. Just push, don't drag. Just push there. Orange corrector will neutralize the dark color on your under eye. So just push it. Push. Here on my lid, I have quite a bit of dark lid and a little bit of my nose here. I'm not gonna blend it, I'll just leave it like that. So the next thing I do is to set that so it won't move when I apply my foundation. I'm going to get a powder using my sponge and I'll just push that here like that. Just apply it where you apply your corrector. In this way, your corrector will never move. It will stay there. Next thing is I'm going to apply now my foundation. I'm going to use this one right here. Matches my skin tone, my skin type, and my undertone. So I'm going to apply my foundation using sponge and my brush. So you can see which suitable or easier for you to apply your foundation. Oh, 1, 2, I'm going to that. Ooh, that. So just push into your skin. Okay, so there you go. It's very easy. It's very easy, guys, to apply a foundation with sponge. It's very quick and no hassle. Bring it to your ear and neck. Pump 2. So I pump 2, and now I'm going to push it as well. So I can still see the corrector in there. I use the same amount of products, but it's still there. If you want to apply a less product on your face, you can use the brush, because as you see, it doesn't make it full coverage as quick as it is with the sponge. There, I can still see my orange correctors. So I'm going to put some more products. So this is 4 now. So I'm going to push again. There. Push, push, push. There you go. I'm going to use my sponge to blend it a little bit. It's time to apply my concealer. Choose a concealer that is 1 shade lighter compared to your foundation. I'm going to use the Golden Dore, or D-O-R-E. This one, guys, is in shade golden, so it is really suitable for my skin type. And also this one is a very good for dark circles. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to apply it triangular or triangle to bring it down. Bring it down. Okay. Bring it down. And blend it with a small sponge. If you don't have a small sponge, guys, you can always use a flat brush and just push this into your skin. Like that. Gently. Just push, guys, no dragging. There you go. Just push. This kind of brush is very good because you can use this in application of your foundation. In any kind of foundation, you can use your powder foundation, liquid foundation, or your concealer. It is a very good brush to apply almost everything except on your eyes. Obviously, it's too big. I'm done with my concealer. As you notice, I'm spotless. So now it's time to powder. There's 2 kinds of powder, the loose powder and also the compact powder to set your foundation into place. So I'm going to use both. I'm going to use the other side with this powder and the other side with this powder. I'm going to push this brush into my loose powder and push it here. Oh, there you go. And just apply it all over my face and also in my eyes here. There you go, guys. So that is the coverage of the loose powder. It really mattifies your skin. And also, it sets my foundation or any product that I put in my face into place. So now I'm going to use this one to apply or set my foundation in this side. So I'm going to push that there. Let's see the difference. So there you go. It's the same. You know, it's the same. I use this one in this side and I don't see the difference. There you go. Powder, powder. There's no difference between the loose powder and the compact powder. I hope you guys learned something in this video, and I hope that I help you in choosing the right foundation, the right powder, the right concealer, and also the right corrector to suit your skin tone, skin type, and your undertones. So yep, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something, and I hope this tutorial helped you in choosing the right foundation that suits you and also suits your budget. And if you're new on my channel, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified each time I upload new videos. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.